So it's time to start promoting for the ultimate diesel extravaganza. For the U.S. Duramax giveaway that I've been planning. Come on, girls. Which means I need help. And Redbeard's ugly mug isn't going to cut it. This is what I brought for you.
I'm going to wear that.
I know you've always wanted me on you.
Okay,
And I need you to hula your guts out.
As usual, Diesel Dave has his harebrained ideas that somehow he convinces us are a good idea.
we could have brought music, so you're just going do, 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 do.
I can't hear you from way over there. You should probably get one of these.
I don't know how it convinced us. There's a truck!
Let's go. Hurry. Move. On the move.
Hey, guys! Hey, where are you running from?
Oh, she's got blue eyes. Look at her.
I know it!
We knew your truck wouldn't make it through the fit anyway.
It's because you're making her wear the box. You gotta take the box off. I'm like, why would you cover this up? That's a terrible idea.
Didn't your father ever teach you not to run away from pretty girls approaching you at the gas station? Would you like to see a hula hoop trick?
I think the hula hoop may have been a bit much.
We're having a huge mud rally on Saturday. Give it my fight.
We tried our best, but I don't know how many people we actually get to come.
Yeah, we'll see on Saturday. I think we did good work today, teams.
High fives all around.
Go team!
Knuckles. Oh, sorry, down.
Oh no!
Yeah, okay.
I'm sorry, handsome man. Don't take a siesta. What happens next is gonna hit you right in the sweet spot.
Scegli se sua voce.
Engineered for perfect timing. Motoring on turbo. Sponsored by Casio Edifice.
Get up to half-price savings on autumn-winter collection sofas at DFS. Like the Sky, now £299. There's also 4 years interest-free credit. And sofas are guaranteed to be handmade and delivered before Christmas. DFS.
You have the power to do more in more places. We have increased our network coverage across the UK. We've got you covered. Here, there, and pretty much everywhere. Try our even bigger and better network today with our network satisfaction guarantee. Vodafone, power to you.
The following message has been approved by Super Lily. Change us all, made us stand tall. You made it happen with just a penny, and his name was Super Lily. Not Penny, not Jenny, it was all Super Lily. Lily. 10 spins for free if you sign up at superlily.com. It was all Super Lily. Do you want to save yourself a few £100 in your energy bills? Go on. U-Switch make it so simple. U-Switch, a simple way to switch. It can be difficult to think of your pet as getting older, especially when they're still so active. But over the age of about 7, they're at a higher risk of developing certain conditions like arthritis or dental disease, and that's why preventive healthcare is so important.
The more often we see your pets for regular checkups, the easier it is to keep a close eye on them and to spot any age-related conditions they might develop, like diabetes, and provide them with the best treatment available.
Get a senior pet health check for just £25. Visit vetsforpets.com or your local practice for more details.
Tuesday tea time again. Time to shake things up. Coconut flakes in a chicken stir fry? Ah, why not? Pasta baked with yogurt? Dollop it on. And green olives in a Spanish tortilla. Si, señorita. Now you're cooking. Who would have thought it? On a Tuesday. Little twist from Sainsbury's. Live well for less. Gucci guilty.
Oh, masters!
You change that. It's getting recorded.
What's that? Come here!
Doctor tells me that you surgery.
What's the name? What's that the name then?
It's very much not my scene.
Oh, I can't see it. Before
Josh, available now on BBC Three.
What's that?